This is Paddy, and this is Teddy. Paddy and Teddy are part of the therapy team here at Pony Partnerships. Many of the people that we work with here at Pony Partnerships arrive with labels or negative beliefs about themselves. We often hear things like, I'm stressed, anxious, depressed, or I'm difficult to work with. They come with labels like troubled or beyond help. They think they're a failure, damaged, or not good enough. One of the reasons Paddy and Teddy make such great therapy ponies is that when they were rescued, they had labels like this too. At Pony Partnerships, we don't believe that your past has to define your future. Because our ponies understand what it feels like to be afraid and anxious, they can better help clients explore their own feelings and emotions. You won't need to talk about what's wrong, and with a trained human on hand to help you interpret and understand why the horses are behaving the way they are towards you, you can learn how to manage your emotions and practice new interpersonal skills in a fun and safe environment. To find out more about how Paddy and Teddy could help you, visit www.ponypartnerships.com.